Good night, teacher and companions. Greetings to all. My name is Mauricio Vanegas. I am 32 years old. I am from Pasto. I live in Tunja, Boyacá. I am going to compare two images of the important Bolivar Square in Colombia, Bogotá A, Tunja B. The square of Bolivar, Bogotá is more old than that of Tunja. The church of Bogotá is more high than that of Tunja. The square of Bolivar, Bogotá has more tourists than Tunja. The square of Bolivar, Tunja is more cold than Bogotá. The monument of Simón Bolívar of Tunja is more beautiful than that of Bogotá. The Palace of Justice of Bogotá is more important than that of the Tunja. The square of Bolívar, Bogotá is bigger than that of Tunja. The square of Bolivar, Bogotá has more pigeons than Tunja. The church of Bogotá has 2 towers and 1 Tunja. Thanks for your attention. Bye.